show it.
Go!
Oh, that was such a cool video. Watch my camera. Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Lily, and this is how you look sex. You gotta work it, work it, work it fierce.
Sing with
Sophia,
Mom.
what are you on about?
Whoa! Bloody hell!
Shit!
Ely, so that's nice.
Another one.
Lily, that is my camera.
Right, you'll have to go around us. You come and get on the horse and try and pose like Kate Winslow there.
Whoa!
I just went.
Down, huh?
Oh, that was minging.
Oh, I really need a wee. Nice. No.
Onward, horse. Kneel. Kneel.
Freaking hell.
Photo! Hell yeah!
Eleanor, hold Albert.
Oh my gosh!
Watch Albert.
Get off the freaking thing! No!
Okay.
Oh, no! Whoa! Oh shit! While Marcus plays football with these barrels. Marcus! No. Ah!
I don't think you get a rosette for trying. I think I would even do that.
There's two horses stuck at the fence now. They're both stuffing their faces. This is just utter chaos.
Mine's broken.
It's broken. Now there's 3 ponies stuck.
I don't know what it's gonna do if it sees a body. Do you Kate Winslow one?
Trying to do Michael Jackson.
Hold up.
I got cramp in my bum.
Did this scare you?
Play that, Marcus.
Did this scare you? He's like, oh, Gypsy, hello.
Becky, hold that. Whenever you're ready, Eleanor.
Sure, come on. Eleanor, does everything have your name on? I just made a really weird noise and I think the camera might have picked it up. Nice!
Was that Amber? You joking me?
Oh.
If I...
You have to sing it as you can't do like
The show must go on.
Whenever you're ready, Eleanor. There's nobody waiting. We'll reenact when the Titanic's going down.
Go knock it down, Kieran.
I cannot get back on.
Thank you, Marcus. Job well done.
Glad we
Here you go, Eleanor. Run, Kieran, run.
Marcus,
Oh, she went into...
are you ready, Amber? 'Cause I'm only going to do this once.
Do I want to die today? I do have school tomorrow and I'd rather not go.
Watch the fence. Lovely. You've caught a donkey, I'm telling you.
Oh, shit!
If anybody kicks me, I will have revenge. My bum hurts.
I have a fiance for that, thank you very much.
Well, he's not here right now.
I'll let him know you offered to replace him, alright?
I was only trying to...
I'm trying to film so I'm making me laugh.
I'll come and get Gypsy.
We have a plan!
Oh shit, my fucking pet. And Gypsy's winning.
Now that's galloping.
I don't have a horn.
I have offered you Gypsy numerous times.
And I said yeah. Whatever, stick that one out.
Friggin' hate this whole shit.
Can you stop that minute?
Nice.
I'm a rampage this way. Oh, are you okay, Danny? What the hell?
Oh.
Danny, put it back on quick before she can jump it. Danny!
I'm seeing stars! Look, she's like a donkey baker,
Sorry.
look.
No, excuse me, that position's been filmed. Well done.
Holy crap, that was big. Oh no, we're trying. Whoa! I will. I'm very good at jumping out the way when I need to. Incoming.
Eleanor, turn around.
Yeah, Eleanor, shows your dirty ass.
Yeah, look. The only clean bits are her legs. This is all dirty.
That way.
Can I say?
Oh, very pretty.
Don't hold on to the reins.
Hold the martingale strap that's round her neck,
And
Kieran.
the saddle.
Because then you can strangle her.
And your life. And her mane. And the brow band. Kieran. Her tail. Put your legs round her neck and try not to shit in your pants.
Stop, too fast. Too fast.
Right, Eleanor, go before he changes his mind.
Nice, that was really good. Jesus.